Are you watching me take your poop away? Sorry. Saturday, the best day and the worst day. Love my shopping. Aww. Hate changing the litter box, even though I literally just have to change a bag. But still, ugh. So just finished a yoga class and I honestly was like this close to not doing my normal Saturday shopping because I really kind of was not feeling it. But I need a couple things from the store, like paper towel. We're in the middle of obviously deep cleaning everything and trying to reorganize and like clean our apartment as we go, because our closing date for the house is supposed to be this Friday, the 29th. And today's Saturday, so 6 days. And I've said this before, we're not moving like right away. We want to like redo the floors before we fully move in, and then we can just move in as we feel like it. We need paper towels, we need a couple things, and I'm a pumpkin spice queen who really wants a pumpkin cream cold brew. So we are going shopping, even though I almost just wanted to like stay in bed all day. A nice rainy day here in Wisconsin, but we needed the rain. It's been so long since we've had a nice proper rain here in Wisconsin. I actually did an order ahead because the line was actually kind of longer, but I came at a time I normally don't because the class I went to today was at 9:30, and the class I like to go to is at 7:30, but it wasn't offered today. I don't know if the instructor was off or what, but yes, grande pumpkin cream cold brew. Put it in a venti cup so you can have extra of the pumpkin cold foam, and then apple croissant. So delicious. So I've been trying to make a pumpkin cream cold brew at home at least once a day to like just try out different measurements and different ways of how I'm making it, and it's just not right. This is gonna sound ridiculous, but there's almost too much pumpkin. So I'm gonna try, I have a syrup at home that's like a pumpkin cheesecake or something like that. That's meant for like a hot coffee, but I'm gonna try that in the cold foam and see if that helps with the too much pumpkin-y taste. Finish this, head into Ross. I have new rain boots. Why didn't I wear them? So at Ross, there was 3 things that caught my eyes. 2 of the fuzzier slipper styles, and then 1 is like a blue booty that I actually found in the 9s. Yay! I always look around my size and not just in like where it says 10, because you can assume that someone has put it down or an employee just put it wherever it could fit. I tried on the one that was like the full fur, full slipper thing, but it was really hard to get my foot in there, and I've got fat feet, so I'm not surprised. So I ended up going with the sandal style, and I have that kind of same style at home, but it's just a different material. This is more of like a Sherpa, and the one I have at home is more of like it's like a black silky, so I'm excited to get these. And then I got the blue booties because in the middle of winter, that's the exact sort of comfy thing that I want to be wearing to school. And if I have to go, you know, get a kid out of the field at recess time because they didn't want to come in, it's perfect. It's like a boot, but it's kind of like a shoe, but it's fluffy. Look at these. And this one glows in the dark. Going to attempt to speed browse because I don't need that many things. Now watch like something wonderful pop up. Paper towels, bug killing trap, cold brew, and stuff to make a dip that I want to make. So this is about the time of year where the fruit flies are just literally everywhere, and it drives me crazy because I like having a banana in the morning before I go to yoga. I can't have bananas if there's fruit flies flying around. So then I go through a period of like a month of no banana, and that's just sad. So hopefully these work, because I'm tired of them. I've tried the little apple kind before in the past, and that has never worked, and I guess it's just a weird syrup. But this is a light, so hopefully they come to the light. That is a very bright blue. I'm assuming it can function as a nightlight then, if you're stumbling around in the dark. It's so weird though that like this is what they stick into. I don't know. I guess we'll see if it works. I'm gonna make a pumpkin pie dip. So the recipe I was going off of, here's the screenshot of it. They use butterscotch. I couldn't find butterscotch at Target, and I don't particularly like butterscotch that much, so I'm sure vanilla will be fine. So it's basically this, vanilla yogurt, and then pumpkin puree. I don't know what to say, if they're boots or shoes. I mean, they have tie laces, so does that mean it's technically a shoe? But in any case, I'm really excited about these. It's literally the perfect height for like fall days, or you know, when there's not a foot of snow outside. These are absolutely adorable, and I'm gonna put them on right now. And then here's what I got at TJ Maxx. I showed you guys these absolutely adorable headband. Sorry, the light in here is atrocious. Hopefully the apartment has better lights, and if they don't, I could change the light fixtures. Ooh. Okay, these glow in the dark, $6. Brianna Cannon, I think, is the one that first started doing headbands with like little like jeweled decals on it, and now everybody does it. But anyways, these are adorable. Get your butts to TJ Maxx, friends, and Marshalls. I'm sure they're at Marshalls too. They generally have kind of the same thing. And then I also bought another yoga block. I've been trying to do the crow pose. We do it in class when I go to the Hatha or Hatha. I still don't remember which one I'm supposed to say. Anyways, whenever I go to that class once a week, and we probably do crow pose maybe twice a month in that class, and I can't do it. And so one of the modifications is if you have a lot of blocks, you can stack those in front of you and stick your head on the blocks. And so I needed another block because I'm a tall human being and my head can't reach the current block that I have. So I bought another one, very cheap, $4.99. Maybe I'll demonstrate to you guys my awkwardness of crow pose. 2 blocks might not even be enough. I might need another, but a box for my crackers because I'm tired of my saltine crackers going bad because they come in that big sleeve, and then, you know, Dan doesn't close it or it just gets left out and they go stale so quick. So I'm hoping this helps. I like saltine crackers and it's almost soup season. And then I grabbed another one of those headbands. This one's like a thicker black material, and then little candy corns. Almost October, guys. I think it's another week and then it's October, and then we can start wearing some fun seasonal clothing. It's getting close. And then I really couldn't decide if I wanted this or not. It's this really cute star print dress, and it's really shiny, really cute, but it's in a large. I couldn't find any other sizes but large. I would have preferred medium because I can tell it's a little bit bigger, but I generally wear something under it anyways. It's got this like big old open hole, and you know, sometimes tie strings like this are very tempting for children to pull, and you don't want to be having an outfit malfunction thanks to a child. And then I wear leggings anyway, so if it is a little loose and flowy, it should be fine. And in the past I haven't been able to wear a lot of loose flowy things because the kids are grabby and in your business, but this year the kids have been better, so maybe I can wear this and it'll be okay. But I just love how shiny it is. It's the Loft brand. It was $20. And then that was it for TJ Maxx. I stopped and got Herberts and Gerberts on the way home. This is the Comic Candy. They had Herberts and Gerberts in my college campus too, in the like student union area. And I don't think I've had it maybe since college. There is one by Hy-Vee, but I can't remember if I've been there recently. But it's been a long time. Anyways, I'm going to eat this and then I might do laundry, might make that dip. We'll see. Dishwasher is going. Dryer is going. Folding the laundry. Hello. How are you? Cold brew.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better.
It kind of looks like just the regular old cold brew sweet cream cold foam, but it's not so gritty as when I was making it myself. I can definitely taste like the caramel. I like this better than the actual pumpkin pie filler, and that's why I'm gonna make a dip out of the rest of my pumpkin pie that's in the fridge, because I don't like the grittiness of it in my drink. Taste the caramel like too much to like it, so I'm gonna look for just a pumpkin when I'm done with this. Hi guys, happy Monday. I'm headed home to basically just make my pumpkin dip, and then we're gonna end this video. I'm gonna be a homeowner in 4 days. Literally all we have to do is either do a cashier's check or wire our money to the closing title company on Friday, and then that's it. We sign some papers and then we're homeowners. It's so crazy. And I'm not even taking off of school. We got our appointment for 3:30, so I can just get out of school the minute the kids are gone and then just drive to the place. And I probably could even make my Walmart ship if I really wanted to, but I don't want to go to Walmart. I'll be a homeowner. Okay, let's go make some dip and then we'll end this video, and then I would like to edit it and put it up. Content you didn't need. We got it. It works. Anyways, here's the recipe I'm following. I'm pretty sure it's from Holly Gabrielle on Instagram. basically use the whole can of pumpkin pie, which I've used a couple tablespoons out of this. It'll be fine. She uses butterscotch. I'm using vanilla, and then a half a container. So, you know, eyeball it, and then some pumpkin pie spice. Let's do it.
We're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever whenever